Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make watermelon slushy. Alright, so this is the first dessert I made. I made two different kind of dessert. Okay, so you get your watermelon. Okay, you can use dead watermelon or seedless watermelon. So you cut up your watermelon in any size that you want. Once you've cut it into little pieces, then you can freeze it in the freezer overnight or for a couple of hours. If you're gonna freeze it for a couple of hours, I would say up to 4 hours, or you can do it overnight. Okay, so you cut it up to the size you want. So I'm placing up the pieces of the watermelon onto a parchment paper, and I'm gonna freeze it overnight. All right, and this is what it looks like after it's been in the freezer overnight. All right, it looks beautiful. All right, so the first dessert I'm making is the slushy. So I have a cheese grater here. I'm going to just grate the watermelon to the amount that I want. This is what it looks like after it's been grated. The first one. Now I just grate as much as I want for myself. And then after that, you get that. And then you can add some lemon, actually lime, a little bit of lime juice, and that's it. Very nice, tasty. It has a bitterness to it, but it's still sweet. That's what it looks like. The first dessert. And then the second one is to take the frozen watermelon, put it in a blender, add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Okay, and just blend till it's nice. You can add some lime if you want. That's optional. Then you just blend it till it's soft and in this form. Then you can drizzle some more condensed milk on it, and then voila, that's all you have. Thank you. See you next time.